Good morning students. Let us discuss about oxy acids of sulfur. So generally group 6A elements will form the oxy acids as we know. But here these oxy acids of sulfur are classified into 4 types. That is, first one sulfurous acid series. Coming to second one, sulfuric acid series. Third one, thionic acid series. And coming to fourth one, peroxy acid series. So here these are the 4 types of the series, that is sulfurous, sulfuric, thionic, peroxy acid series. So here of all oxy acids, S is having hybridization sp3. Okay, sulfur is having what? sp3 hybridization. So here if suppose we are having thionic acid, means we are having SS linkage here. Okay, so here salt of Carros acid we called as permonosulfate. And coming to here, Marshallus acid we call it as disulfate, or we can say persulfate. Okay, so generally when you do distillation with water, it gives H2SO5. When you go on hydrolysis, it will give H2O2. So basicity, coming to basicity of all oxy acids of sulfur is +2 oxidation state, and we are having different types of sulfur here. For hybridization of sulfur is, which type of sulfur it is giving means SO3 -2, SO4 -2, S2O3 -2, S2O4 -2. So these all will give the sp3 hybridization only. Now let us see one by one. First one, what is the first type here? First type is sulfurous acid series. Okay, so our first series is what? Sulfurous acid series. Let us see name, formula, structure, oxidation number. Okay, now first one, let us see sulfurous acid. What is first one? Sulfurous acid. Formula we are having H2SO3, that is HO, S double bond O, OH, and oxidation number we are having here +4. So the sulfurous acid formula is what? H2SO3, and it is having this structure, this one, and it is having +4 oxidation state. And coming to second one, thiosulfurous acid. Thiosulfurous acid, formula we are having is H2S2O2, and here the structure is S double bond. In place of O we are having as OH. Oxidation state is +4 and -2. And third one we are having Dithionous acid, or we can say here hyposulfurous acid. Okay, so it is having formula H2S2O4, and the shape here is OH, S double bond O, S double bond O, OH. It is having oxidation state +3 sulfur. And coming to next one, fourth one, di or pyrosulfurous acid. It is having formula H2S2O5. Okay, so it is having this structure OH, S double bond O, S double bond O, double bond O, OH +5 and -3. So these are the sulfurous acid series. First one is sulfurous acid. This is the formula. Next one, thiosulfurous acid, dithionous sulfurous acid, or hyposulfurous acid, we can say di or pyrosulfurous acid. This is, and this is the formula, structure and oxidation number. So this is the first series. Now let us go to second series. We are having, what is second series? Sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid series. Here also see the first of all name, formula, structure, and oxidation number. Okay, so what is first one? Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, we are having formula H2SO4. The structure here is HO, S double bond O, double bond O, OH. Okay, for this we are having oxidation number +6. And coming to second one, we are having thiosulfuric acid. Thiosulfuric acid, and it is having formula H2S2O3. So for this, it is having structure S double bond O, double bond S, OH +6 and -2 is the oxidation state. And coming to next one, we are having di or pyrosulfuric acid. It is having the formula H2S2O7. Okay, so and the structure here is S double bond O, double bond O, O, S double bond O, double bond O, OH. It is having +6 is the oxidation state. So this is sulfuric acid series. So sulfurous acid we have seen, sulfuric acid we have seen. Now let us see about thionic acid series. Thionic acid series. Okay, so here also let us take name, formula, structure, oxidation number. So what is the name? First of all, here we are going to take dithionic acid. This is having formula H2S2O6. The structure of this one is OH, SSOH, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, and it is having oxidation state +5. Next one we are having polythionic acid. So it is having formula, poly means many, S or no, more. So that's why we are taking SN. So it is having the structure OH, S, SN. In the place of N we can take integers. OH, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. It is having also oxidation state +5, 0. So these are the thionic acid series. Sulfurous, sulfuric, thionic acid series. Now let us see about the peroxo acid series. What is next one here? Peroxo acid series. Okay. So here also let us take name, formula, structure, and here oxidation number. Okay, so what is first one? First one is nothing but here peroxomono sulfuric acid series. Okay, or we can say this one is a Carros acid also. Okay, the formula is here H2SO5 OH S double bond O, double bond O, OH, and it is having oxidation state +6 is the oxidation state. Next one we are having peroxo disulfuric acid, or we can say here Marshall's acid. This is having H2S2O8 and the formula is OH S double bond O, S double bond O, O, S double bond O, S double bond O, OH. So it is also having oxidation state +6. Okay, so this is nothing but the 4 types of series we have discussed. What is the first series? Sulfurous acid, next one sulfuric acid, next one thionic acid, next one peroxo acid series. So this is nothing but here oxy acids of the sulfur. So generally when you take sulfur, it is having hybridization +3 only, that is SO3 2 minus, SO4 2 minus, S2O3 minus 2, S2O4 minus 2. These all we are going to have the sp3 hybridization only. So if you take SO2 also, that is having sp3, SO3 also having sp3 hybridization. So this is nothing but oxy acids of sulfur. In the next class we can discuss about the group 17 elements. Thank you.